Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Jack's Magic Surface Magic. What is Jack's Magic Surface Magic? A time-saving, highly effective way to remove debris from your pool water surface. When used as directed, Surface Magic will quickly clear your pool water's surface of dirt, grass clippings, leaves, oils, bugs, and other floating debris, making cleanup easy. Product benefits: effectively moves surface debris to one area for easy netting. Clears pool water surface of dirt, leaves, bugs, pollen, grass, and other debris. Easy-to-use product saves you time. Dosage: 2 drops per 100 square feet of water surface area. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.